What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Shine On Network and Just the Tip. Today, I'm rocking the old school logo because we're going back to the basics. It's all about wheel cleaning. How do you properly clean your wheels? Now, it doesn't matter if they were freshly ceramic coated or if you've had years and years and years of debris sitting on these wheels. It's going to be the same process. You just might have to do it 2 to 3 times. But we're here in our product room at the shop, and I just wanted to go over exactly what products we use. So first step, get yourself a bucket with a grit guard inside of it. The grit guard allows all of the debris to sit on the bottom 2 inches of that bucket so that when you're dipping your brushes in there, which we're gonna go over next, you're not picking up all the rocks, stones, mud, anything that could put scratches in your wheels. The second brush that we like to go with is right here, the Easy Detail. This is a phenomenal brush that actually, when you put it in between the spokes, goes ahead and can get in very tight areas to get in the back of your wheel. The second one is the face of your wheel brush right here. Super soft bristle brush. This is for the face of your wheels. Then we're gonna go with the tire brush to scrub those tires out, make sure that they're nice and black again. And after that, we're gonna move forward with an Easy Detail brush. Now, depending on which one you wanna go with, we love these CarPro ones. This is great for your lug nuts and getting in those other tight areas that either your Easy brush or your soft bristle brush cannot get into. Next, what products do we use? Super simple and easy, only 2 of them. The first one is right here. It's a German-based wheel product. We have all the stuff out there, including all of these products right here as well that are already in our buckets. But Tuga is a phenomenal, it is by far our favorite. We buy 55-gallon drums of this all the time. It's thick, it's lubricating. It provides a wonderful wheel cleaner as well. So go ahead and get some Tuga. And then the second one, we need some all-purpose cleaner. So we go with CarPro Multi-X. Now make sure, guys, you dilute this. Do not use it straight. If you use it straight, it could burn through your rubber. And that's one of the tips as well. So make sure you get some Multi-X as well. All-purpose cleaner, wheel cleaner, some brushes. All we need to do is fill this bucket up and get some water. So welcome back to our wash bay. Right here we have our good old Bob 760 BMW that he's been driving over the last couple of weeks. As you can see here, the wheels are definitely dirty and have some debris on them, as you can tell right there, just from you wiping that single spoke. Now, we already have all our products out here. They're not in those bottles that you saw up front because we dilute everything and we use our own bottle system out here. But this is a phenomenal way to clean your wheels. First step, either with a pressure washer or a hose, you're gonna wanna rinse down your wheel. Now these wheels were ceramic coated, so you could see that actually got most of that debris off there. Now guys, one of the tips as well is do not go on a road trip or even drive home from work and immediately start cleaning your wheels. Let them cool down. You can spray them down just like I did, and then go ahead and wash the rest of your car and come back to the wheels if they're hot. That way it gives it time to cool down. But this car's been sitting overnight. So first step, spray down water. Next step, you're gonna get your Tuga and spray down the wheel liberally. Don't be afraid to use it. So you can see the rotor back here is actually turning purple. That's all the ferrous metals that it's going ahead and Tuga's working on. Next up, get some APC, spray that wheel down, or the tire. And while you're doing that as well, you can get all the arches, your wheel wells, basically anything else that you want the APC to go ahead and work for. Now after this, we're gonna fast forward, give it a couple minutes, and let it dwell for about 3 to 5 minutes, let those products work in, and then we'll get scrubbing. So it's been about 3 to 5 minutes. As you can tell, the Tuga is doing its job. It's nice and purple, it's clinging on to all those ferrous metals, and obviously making this wheel super easy to clean with our brushes. Now, one tip, a massive tip, that if you guys have carbon ceramic brakes, you cannot use wheel cleaner on those brakes. It will completely ruin your $10, $20, $30, $50,000 brakes. So if you have carbon ceramics, the best way to clean it is just with car soap and a brush. That's it. Do not go ahead and use Tuga or any wheel cleaner on those carbon ceramics. Keep those just a car shampoo. But with that being said, so we have it all here. We have the Tuga working. Now we're gonna take our brushes. The first one I like to use is the Easy brush. And I like to use this first because when we're going into the barrel of that wheel, we're gonna be pulling all that grime up front. So instead of doing the face of the wheel, we're gonna go ahead and do that barrel. Sticking the Easy brush in and actually working it side to side. And take your soft bristle brush for the faces of the wheels. Work it around, getting in between each spoke. Now, with a multi-spoke wheel like this, if you guys are wondering, well, which spokes have I done and which have I not? I always start right here at the valve stem. That way you know if you've done this spoke and you're working your way around. by the time you get back to that other spoke, you know that you've cleaned the whole wheel. That way you're not gonna be missing anything. We're gonna take our soft bristle detail brush, the lug brush, get in all those lug holes, get the caliper. One extra step we like to take, like we said, take another soft bristle brush and get into your wheel arches. Once that's done, time to clean her off. And that's it, everybody. Make sure that you do a one wheel at a time. Don't do all four and leave the Tuga on there. Do this out of the sun as well. Don't let it dry on the wheel. But as you can tell, especially with ceramic coated wheels like the BMW has, it makes it even easier. But even if they're not coated, following that process is gonna make life awesome for you. And it's gonna save you a ton of time and it's gonna give you a better end result. So you got Tuga, you got Multi-X APC, ton of brushes, grit guard and a bucket, some water, and that's all you need. That's your tip of the day, guys. And as always, keep shining.